Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful Tunisian stitch. It's perfect for baby blankets or for clothes. For this tutorial I'm using a double knit yarn and 4mm crochet hook. The stitch is really easy and quite relaxing. So let's start. So we will start with foundation chain. You will start your first row in the second chain from the hook, so insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over and pull up the loop. Like this, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up the loop. Insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up the loop. Continue until end of the row of the chain. And when finished, yarn over and pull through first loop. And now yarn over and pull through first two loops. Yarn over, pull through first two loops. Yarn over, pull through first two loops and continue until end of the row. So yarn over, pull through two. This is how your work should look so far. Now we will start next row from the second loop. So not from this loop, but this one. We will insert our hook under this loop, yarn over, pull up the loop. Insert your hook under the next loop, yarn over and pull up the loop. And insert your hook under the next loop, yarn over, pull up the loop. And now we will work between the loops. So we will not insert our hook under the next loop, but we will insert it between the loops. So between these two loops, we will insert it here. Insert, pull up the loop, then insert your hook between next two loops. Insert, yarn over, pull up the loop. And we will work in this sequence. Insert your hook under next three loops, then insert your hook between next two loops and continue until end of the row. So under next loop, yarn over, pull up the loop, under next loop, yarn over, pull up the loop, under next loop, yarn over, pull up the loop, and then between the next two loops, yarn over, pull up the loop, between next loops, yarn over, pull up the loop. Continue until end of the row. Now, once you finish, you will yarn over and pull through first loop, then yarn over, pull through first two loops, yarn over, pull through first two loops, and above the loops where you worked between the loops, not under the loops, yarn over and pull through three loops, and work in that sequence. Yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, and above this stitches where you work between loops, not under loops, yarn over, pull through three, and continue until end of your row. Let's make one more row. So insert your hook under second loop, yarn over, pull up the loop, insert your hook under next loop, and now you will insert your hook between next two loops here. So insert your hook in the stitch 1 and 2 and continue working in the sequence. Insert your hook into the next three loops, under the next three loops, then insert your hook between the next two loops. Insert your hook under the next 3 loops, insert your hook between the next 2 loops. Continue until end of the row. Yarn over pull through first stitch, then yarn over pull through first 2 stitches, yarn over pull through 2 stitches, and now above the stitches where you worked between the stitches, yarn over pull through 3. And from now work in the sequence: yarn over pull through 2, yarn over pull through 2, yarn over pull through 3, yarn over pull through 2, yarn over pull through 2, yarn over pull through 3. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please leave thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.